Hey, it's Debbie from Ask Debbie About Here, and you see me in the background. You see the trees, the woods, the beautiful water. That is because my family and I are getting ready to go camping, and we love camping, but we hate the bugs. So that's why a few years ago I developed a bug repellent called Lavenderm. It is a 100% natural bug repellent that works. Listen, okay, I would not be here if I did not have something to protect myself. I didn't want to use Deet and all those other things that has chemicals that seeps into our body that causes an imbalance in our hormones and can cause chronic illness. So Lavenderm was perfect for me. I'm going to show you some of my family and how they're using it. And just look around, guys. We are surrounded by woods. And it's ugly bugs out here. But we come every year because they don't bother us, because we don't smell good to them. The ingredients in Lavenderm is what we like, but it's not what they like. So check it out. We actually, for the 3 days that we've been out here, every day we made sure that we put on our Lavenderm, and not a mosquito, not a bug, nothing. We've been wearing shorts, we've been leaving our arms out, all of that, and nothing, not one bug is. Now we see the mosquitoes because they're out here. Ooh, boy. And because we are in God's nature, they're big, they're huge. But because we actually have been prepared with a natural ingredient that unfortunately the bugs don't like, they haven't been biting us. So if you like to travel, you want to be outside and enjoy God's wonderful earth, then Lavenderm is something that you might want to try. It's an amazing product. I took a long time to develop it, and it's been doing very well. We are about to leave. I'm going to show you my family. We are packing up our tents. We're putting our tents down. But we've been here for 4 days. You see that beautiful lake behind me? You know bugs love water. You know mosquitoes love water. And even though we're right here on the lake, we didn't get no bites. Nothing bothered us. No bugs, no nothing. That's because we used our Lavenderm. So if you want to enjoy the rest of the summer and be natural, try Lavenderm.